Basics of PCR. Polymerase chain reaction (PCR) is a laboratory technique used to amplify DNA segments into a larger amount. It involves a series of heating and cooling steps to denature and anneal DNA strands, with primers, nucleotides and a DNA polymerase enzyme to synthesize new DNA strands. The general steps of PCR include denaturation. The double-stranded DNA template is heated to a high temperature, typically 95 to 98 degrees Celsius, to separate the two strands. Annealing. The temperature is lowered to a range that allows short DNA primers to bind specifically to the complementary sequences at the ends of the target DNA segment. Extension. The temperature is raised to a range that activates the DNA polymerase enzyme to synthesize new DNA strands complementary to the template. The most commonly used DNA polymerase for PCR is Stark polymerase, which has an optimal extension temperature of 72 degrees Celsius. Repeat cycles. The denaturation, annealing, and extension steps are repeated for 20 to 40 cycles, with each cycle doubling the amount of DNA product. After several cycles, there will be a large amount of the target DNA sequence present, which can be analyzed or used for further experiments. PCR has numerous applications in research, medicine, and forensics. It has revolutionized the field of genetics by allowing scientists to study and manipulate DNA in ways that were previously impossible. Thanks for watching.